Welcome to my store. Okay, so we're back here at the big tank. Take the styrofoam off, Aaron. Against the wall. Where else can we put it? Okay, so we're taking the tape off that we left on the corners, and then we're going to clean up this silicone, and then we're going to put the strips along the inside of the tank and the top braces on. Okay? Okay, now to clean the silicone off of here, all you do is you take a razor blade, you put it in a pair of vice grips, tighten up the vice grips a little bit more. Okay. Let me just cut it. Okay. Okay. Make sure you don't whack it too hard. Okay. On this bottom edge. Okay. See how it just shaves her off real nice. What? No, we only have to clean the two spots where we're putting the braces. What? The two spots where the braces are going to be. We got to put the braces up to find out where that is. Just so it doesn't look so icky. Okay, so we're just going to do the rest of the edges along there. The boys working hard, and we'll see you again when we're putting top braces on.